What's up, guys? We are back with a little different unboxing video. This is a cheap little RC car. Came across at the store the other day, $29.99 I do believe, and you know, seemed kind of interesting. Didn't seem too bad as far as the advert on the box, you know, claiming 20 mile an hour speeds. We can put that to the test a little bit. It's a rear wheel drive, ready to run. Of course, it's a, as you can see, it's a Jeep body. I don't believe it's a licensed product, but you can definitely tell Jeep nonetheless. Working lights, 32 LED lights, so as bright as a real Jeep. But yeah, let's take a look at this thing, open it up, and see if cheap little RCs can be any good or if they're just cheap. Box. Nice little packaging here. Just there we go. The tape. Tape on both sides. Trigger style controller. Alright, actually seems to have progressive steering and throttle. Alright, let's go this Jeep off here. Alright. Yeah, it's about what you expect. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. It does come with. Oh, alright. So it does come with its own charger. The battery is not removable. Alright. Let's get this thing charged up and see how it drives. Alright guys, we are outside now. I got this thing charged up. It took about 35-40 minutes. Not too bad, but according to the manual you should get about 10 to 15 minutes of run time. So we're out here at the basketball court. Nice and smooth area. Let's drive it around a little bit and see if it's worth the $29.99 price tag. There you go. That's pretty quick. Doesn't accelerate that fast, but it's got a decent top end. So it does claim 20 miles an hour plus on the box. Got this little speed button here. Alright, let's see if we can achieve that 20 mile an hour top speed. I do have a GPS I want to put on it just to verify. And I actually slow it down. This thing's pretty light, but we'll see. There we go. Oh, check it out. I don't know if that's 20. Oh! Pressure. Alright, let's go put a GPS on it real quick. Alright, got the GPS on it. Just zeroed out. Now this actually might end up slowing it down, weighing it down a little bit, but let's see if we can hit 20. Oh, we crashed it. It's still on. It's still on. Oh, and it's gone. All right. Let's see what they did. 15. Not quite 20. But you know, the GPS might have been slowing it down a tad. All right, so what are my thoughts on this? Well, it is toy grade. I mean, so no real high expectations there. A little quicker than I thought it would be. It says it's made of durable, crash resistant materials. I'm giving this to my 4-year-old, so we'll check back later on if that's true or not. Yeah, it's just a cheap toy grade RC. It's I think $19.99 would probably be a better price point for it. Good for indoors primarily. It's pretty bumpy out here outside, even on this smooth basketball court. So you know, for little kids, you know, first RC, I think a controller like this, getting used to the fundamentals of using a pistol grip type controller would be pretty good. I wish it was kind of a little more acceleration so you can slide it around a little bit, but this thing doesn't weigh anything. So all in all, not a bad buy. I probably wouldn't buy another one for $30, but you know, if you see one out there and kind of curious, it's okay buy. But that'll be it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.